and today I'm going to show you how to increase and decrease with a half double crochet. Now an increase is really simple. It's the same for a single crochet, half double, double. All you're going to do if your pattern calls for a half double increase, you're going to do your regular half double into the stitch, and then you're just going to go back into that very same stitch. Normally we would go into the next one here. You're going to go back into that very same stitch and do another half double crochet. Simple as that. That's how you increase. You do 2 in 1. So it might say do 2 half double crochets in a row and then do a half double crochet increase. That's all you're doing, is just putting 2 in the same stitch. It's the same with a single crochet or double crochet, and that just helps your if you have a pattern that needs to get larger, then it will just start to increase the rows gradually. Okay, now for a decrease, what you're going to do for a half double crochet decrease, and this is just going to make your pattern smaller. A lot of times you do decreases in the round for a hat or something like that, and that makes your pattern smaller as you get up to the top of the hat. So we're just going to do it flat like this, but and a lot of patterns like this will call for a decrease as well. But what you're going to do is yarn over and go into the next stitch available, yarn over and pull up a loop like a regular half double crochet, but you're not going to pull through all 3 yet. We have to put 2 stitches together, which is going to decrease our work. So you're going to yarn over again and go into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. And now you have 5 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through all 5, and that will decrease your work because you're putting 2 stitches together as one. Okay, we'll do it again. Yarn over and go into the first or the next stitch available, just as if you would if you're doing a regular half double crochet. Yarn over and pull up a loop, and then instead of pulling through all 3, you're going to yarn over, go into the next stitch available right here, go in, yarn over and pull up a loop, and then you have 5 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 5. And that's how you do a decrease. Now some people do it a little bit differently, and I even do it like this sometimes too. It doesn't really matter. It kind of does the same thing. So if you'd rather, you can yarn over, go into the stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, just like normal. And then instead of yarning over again, you can just go right into the next one, yarn over and pull up a loop, and you'll have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 4. I tend to do it that way. I don't know why. I think that maybe the other way is, I don't know if it's really correct or not, but I kind of like to just do it with the 4 loops on the hook, because then there's not such a big difference here between when you just have 3 loops on the hook for a regular half double. So either way you can do, and I hope that was helpful for you. If I've helped you, please leave a comment or a like, or you could subscribe. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos of patterns and stitches. If there's anything you'd like to see, please leave it in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.